The man that is your husband, the woman that is your wife, in their company you find peace, you find rest. When you are hanging around somebody and all you have is tension, pressure, agitation, worry, something is wrong. You can see a future with this woman. You can see a future with this man. He may not have money today. He may not look like he has anything now. But with this guy, you perceive a future. I didn't have a car or have anything when my wife met me, but she saw a future. He said it turned out more than she saw. That's true. You should see a future. When you are connected to somebody, you can't perceive any tomorrow. That is, by the time tomorrow arrives, marriage is over. People with whom you see a future.